Hello students, you are welcome in permutations and combinations part 6. We are doing the questions of exercise miscellaneous of chapter 7. It is question 4. Now in this, the statement is, if different permutations of the letter of the word examinations are listed as in dictionary, how many words are there before starting with E? These type of questions are very important, so do these questions carefully. Now, in the word examination, the total letters are 10. Now, you observe the repetition. You can observe A is 2 times. I is also used 2 times. So, it means the total words formed are that we will use the repeated permutations, and 10 factorial upon 2 factorial into 2 factorial, because I and A both are 2 times repeated. So total words formed will be 10 factorial upon 2 factorial into 2 factorial. After simplification, it will come out this figure. These are the required number of words can be formed with or without meaning. Now, in the second part in this question, it says, if we arrange alphabetically, then how many words are there before starting with E? Now, before the word starting with E, as if you arrange as alphabetically as per dictionary, so how many words will be there before the first letter starting with E? So it means before the first word starting with E, if you arrange all these letters alphabetically, so before E, the words that appears, that is A, and it means the letter appears A. So first of all, we will find words starting with A. So it means the first position is fixed by A now. So we have to arrange remaining 9 positions out of remaining 9 letters. So it means out of 9, so I is now 2 times. So out of 2 A's, we have used 1 A at the first place. So 1 A is remaining in this 9. So I is 2 times. The word formed, that will be 9 factorial upon 2 factorial, and this is 1,81,440. These are the words which will start with A. So it means before E, the total words start, that is formed as per dictionary, will be this much, 1,81,440. So I hope it is clear. Now it is question number 5. How many 6-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, which are divisible by 10 and no digit is repeated? So for the numbers divisible by 10, there must be 0 at units place. It means we will fix 0 at units place. So 0 will not be changed then in the permutations. So this place is fixed. So 0 at units place can be arranged in one way. Then remaining places to be filled are 5, and digits available are also 5. So 5 digits at 5 places can be arranged in 5p5 ways, and required number of ways are, so 5p5 multiplied by 1, and after simplification it comes out to be 120. I hope it is clear. Now question number 7. In an examination, paper consists of 12 questions. There are 5 questions in part 1 and 7 in part 2. A student has to attempt 8, selecting at least 3 from each part. In how many ways a student can select the questions? So it means the condition is the student has to select at least 3 questions from each part. So there will be different cases to solve this question, to select. Case 1, if we select 3 from part 1 and remaining 5, total 8 questions he has to attempt. So 3 from part 1, remaining 5 from part 2. So 3 out of 5 in 5c3 ways, because and is there, so multiplied by 5 out of 7 in 7c5 ways. So this is first case. Or he can use this option, second option, 4 from part 1 and 4 from part 2. So he can arrange in 5c, he can select in 5c4 and 7c4 ways. Or third case, 5 from part 1 and 3 from part 2. So 5c5 into 7c3. So he can choose any one of these 3 options So that's why we have to add these three, and after addition required number of ways, that will be 420. I hope it is clear. Now on to question number 9. There are 5 men and 4 women. In how many ways we can arrange them in a row such that women occupy even places? There are total 9 persons, and out of 9, the condition is women occupy even places. So out of 9 places, even places are 2, 4, 6, 8. It means 4 women's at 4 places we have to arrange. There are 4 places only, and 4 women's at 4 places can be arranged in 4p4 ways, that is 4 factorial. Now remaining 5 places, there are 5 men, so 5 men should be arranged at 5 places, and this can be done in 5p5 ways. Now we have to multiply these two. So now required number of ways are 4 factorial into 5 factorial, and the required number of ways, that will be 2880. I hope it is clear. Question number 10. From a class of 25, 10 are to be chosen for an excursion party. There are 3 students who decide either all of them will join or none of them will join. So 3 particular students have decided either all of them will go to the party or none of them will go to the party. So there are 2 cases. If 3 particular students join the party, total 10 are to be chosen for the party, and out of 10, 3 students are fixed because they all have decided to go, and remaining 7, that will be selected from the remaining. Out of 25, 3 particular students have been chosen, so remaining 22. So remaining 7, that will be selected from 22, and this can be done in 22 ways. So this is case 1. Or the party can be held in the second case also, or second case, if 3 specific students are not joining the party. Now it means all 10 will be selected from the remaining 22, because the 3 particular students, these are not joining the party. So remaining will be 22, and it will be 22C10, because the 10 will be selected from 22. So 22C10. So we can select any one of these 2 ways, either case 1 or case 2. So that's why we have to add case 1 cases plus case 2 cases. So required number of ways will be then this 8,17,190. Now 11th question. In how many ways letter of the word assassination be arranged so that the S's are together? Now all S, they should be together. In the solution, if all S are together, it means we will assume all S as one letter. So we will arrange them together in one shot. So remaining, now total letters are, out of this 4S has been selected, and because all are the same letter, so if you interchange their positions, so we will get only one arrangement. So this can be arranged in one way, you can say that. Now remaining letters are 9, and out of 9, A is used 3 times, I appears it is 2 times, and N is 2 times. Now the total letters, including 1, this letter, and remaining 9, so total 10. Out of 10, these are repetitions. So the number of arrangements will be 10 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial, and after simplification it will be this figure 1,51,200. These are the required number of ways. I hope it is clear. Thank you for today.